Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel. I am Bijay, a Microsoft SharePoint MVP, and in this video we are going to discuss how to resolve one issue which usually comes when we use the spreadsheet list template to create a list from an Excel spreadsheet. So the error comes as cannot import spreadsheet into SharePoint. This feature requires a browser that support ActiveX control. So if you'll see the usually the error comes like this when you will use the import spreadsheet option to create a list from an Excel spreadsheet. So this error will come. This feature require a browser that support ActiveX control, and this the both the things usually comes. This is in I and this is on Chrome. So both the browsers will have the issues. So first of all, this ActiveX doesn't support in modern browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge. ActiveX is not supported. So for that, you require an Internet Explorer. Okay, uh, to resolve this issue, we have to enable two things. One thing is, first thing is, you can check how we can enable SharePoint spreadsheet launcher in IE, and the other one is you can go and add your SharePoint site to the trusted site in IE. Okay, so once you do these things, this will be resolved. And in import spreadsheet is a very useful template provided by Microsoft to create a list from an Excel spreadsheet. That will be in a separate video. I'll cover that, and also I have one article which you can follow for that detailed step-by-step tutorial is there. Now coming back to this one, we'll see how we can resolve this issue. So I will open my IE. So first thing is what you can do is you go up to the settings, you can see here, then click on manage add-ons. Okay, so click on manage add-on, and by default it will not show all the add-ons. Just click on all add-ons and it will show you all the add-ons. So if you'll go here, there is a SharePoint spreadsheet launcher. So since it is already enabled, you can see it. You can, if it will be disabled in your case, then you will be having a button as enable. Okay, you can click on that and this option will be enabled. And once it is enabled, so you can restart the browser once and you can try that functionality. If it is not working, then you can add your SharePoint site to the trusted site. That thing you can do that. So for this, what you'll do is same way you can go to the settings icon, internet options, and then you can see here. So what you'll do is you'll go to the security tab and then trusted site is there. Click on these sites and then you'll be able to add your SharePoint sites over there. If you'll see here, I can add any site. So you can give any site and you can add it. So site slash enjoy SharePoint I can give, and you can just click on add. Okay, so once you click on add, then the site will be in the trusted site zone, so you will not face that issue. But make sure you can restart the browser. So basically you will close the browser and restart that again, and hopefully that the both the solution will work. I have also created an article on this, so which I'll post in the video description. You can follow that. There I have also shown details in step by step how you will be able to use that feature, or how you will be able to resolve the issue that is coming as this feature requires a browser that support ActiveX control. And hopefully you like this video. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. You will get a lot of videos on SharePoint related technologies, SharePoint, Power BI, Flow, Power Apps, all this technology. You're going to get videos free. So kindly subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.